You might be aware of the health benefits of papaya fruit, but do you know that the green leaves of the papaya tree are a powerhouse of healing properties that have been used in traditional medicine for centuries? Papaya leaves contain a unique blend of enzymes, vitamins and antioxidants. From increasing platelet levels in dengue patients to providing relief from gastric problems, papaya leaves are a health powerhouse. Let us look at the top 9 health benefits of papaya leaves. At number 1. Helps with dengue fever. The most notable potential benefit of papaya leaves for dengue patients is the reported ability to increase platelet count. The extract from papaya leaves is believed to contain enzymes and other compounds that can help stimulate the production of platelets in the bone marrow. The leaves are also thought to help alleviate symptoms of dengue fever such as fever, headache, and joint pain due to their supposed natural analgesic properties. The nutritional content of papaya leaves, which includes vitamins, minerals, and enzymes, may provide general support to the body when it is under the stress of fighting off the dengue virus. At number 2. Helps with malaria. The leaves of the papaya plant are believed to contain certain compounds such as acetogenins which might have anti-malarial effects. Acetogenins are a type of compound that can interfere with the production of ATP, adenosine triphosphate, in the mitochondria of the parasite, effectively starving the parasite of energy. At number 3. Helps with digestive disorders. Papaya leaves contain papain and chymopapain, which are proteolytic enzymes. These enzymes help break down proteins into smaller, easier to digest particles, which can be particularly helpful in digesting large meals or proteins that are difficult to digest. Some digestive disorders are caused by bacteria or parasites. The antimicrobial properties of papaya leaves could help kill harmful microorganisms in the digestive tract, thus alleviating infections and symptoms associated with them. Some people use papaya leaf tea as a soothing agent for the stomach. Papaya leaves can help with stomach aches and discomfort, potentially due to its alkaloid components that might have a natural antispasmodic effect. At number 4. Helps with cancer. Some studies have suggested that the phytochemicals in papaya leaves may have anticancer properties. These chemicals include flavonoids and phenolic compounds which may help in inhibiting the growth of cancer cells. There have been studies suggesting that certain extracts from papaya leaves can induce apoptosis, which is the process of programmed cell death, in cancer cells. This is a crucial mechanism through which the body naturally prevents the spread of cancerous cells. At number 5. Helps reduce inflammation. The leaves have been credited with anti-inflammatory effects due to their rich content of vitamins A, C, and E, which have antioxidant properties that may reduce inflammation. At number 6. Improves immunity. Papaya leaves are believed to contain nutrients and minerals such as vitamin C, which plays a role in immune function. The leaves might also have immunomodulatory effects that could help in strengthening the immune system. Compounds in papaya leaves, including flavonoids and alkaloids, might have antiviral properties that could provide support in fighting viral infections. At number 7. Helps relieve menstrual pain. Papaya leaf tea might help in alleviating menstrual pain due to its possible analgesic properties. At number 8. Improves skin health. The enzymes in papaya leaves, such as papain, may help in the treatment of skin conditions like warts, eczema, and psoriasis by potentially helping to break down proteins and aiding in the skin's healing process. And finally, at number 9. Improves hair health. Papaya leaf extracts are sometimes included in hair care products with claims that they can help strengthen hair follicles and support hair growth. Given that papaya leaves may affect platelet count, individuals with bleeding disorders or those taking blood-thinning medications should use papaya leaves with caution to avoid an increased risk of bleeding. Due to potential effects on blood clotting, it's advised to stop using papaya leaves at least 2 weeks before scheduled surgery to prevent excessive bleeding. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should be cautious as there is insufficient evidence about the safety of using papaya leaves. Some compounds in papaya leaves could potentially be harmful during pregnancy. Whether used to soothe a troubled stomach or explored as a complementary treatment under professional guidance, papaya leaves continue to inspire a journey towards holistic well-being. Embracing these healing powers of papaya leaves, let us look forward to a healthier, more natural future. For related articles and updates, look at the description below. We hope you found this video useful. Please like and subscribe to keep connected. Thank you.